Rips by Triumph app review. Is it worth it? This is a very good application which lets you get digital cards and pull for digital cards. Once you open up the app for the first time, you will see different sections. If you click on Pokemon in the top left corner, you also have the option of pulling for basketball and also One Piece cards. But let's say that you are a fan of Pokemon. So how this works, essentially, you get these packs and you can see what is inside of each pack and the odds of receiving these cards. Here you can see all the different odds, and basically once you open up the pack, you will see the price for each pack right here. And if you open up the pack, you have the option of getting these cards, which I've just shown you. Creating an account is very easy. You just go to the account section and sign in, and you can use Apple ID to sign in. A very good app overall. You have the showroom as well here, so people will display different cards for some pretty hefty prices, as you can see. And you have the collection, which is going to be the cards you have pulled. So if you want the card which you've pulled, you have the option of shipping. So if you click on ship, you will receive that card physically, or you can sell it for money here, as you can see the prices. And you have also the rewards here. If you refer people, you get rewards. So overall, a very good application. I recommend it. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.